My name's William, and I want to start this off by saying I put off this class for as long as possible, but can't avoid it forever, so might as well get it done now. So, anyway, this is my bag speech, and I picked this bag to use for my speech. I've had this bag for 4 years, just a normal backpack, but rode my Harley to school every day, and this is the only bag that never fell apart on me. So, it's just a really good bag, so just want to start my speech by using it. So my first item in the bag goes along with the Harley. These are my Harley gloves. I bought my first Harley when I was 18 years old, and it was a really big deal to me back then. I mean, it was rebellious for me, so I just had a lot of fun, and it was important to me. It was my first major purchase. It was mine. It was just really, really important to me. I still ride like every day I get a chance, so I keep these gloves to remember that first one that I ever got. Because I mean, it just turned a big page in my life because it's part of who I am now. But anyway, so my next item is a picture of my 1969 Chevelle. I remember I was 15 years old when I went to my first car show with my dad, and I just remember seeing all these old cars. I just knew I wanted one, but couldn't afford it. So I just had this dream forever and started saving up money. But then I got to college and I really couldn't afford it. Eventually, after years of saving up money, I was finally able to buy one, and it just became a part of who I am. I mean, my Chevelle, I worked on it every day, was trying to fix it up and make it look like these cars I remember seeing at the car show. I mean, just like I wanted. But anyway, it's really important to me. It's mine. I'll probably never have another one. But anyway, so next item is my bits and bridle. Horses have been a part of my life for ever since I was born. I mean, I've lived around them, worked with them, rode ropes, anything you can think of, and it's just my whole family. This was the first one I got that was actually mine. I think my dad bought this for me when I was 12 years old. I've had it ever since. I still ride with it every day. It's just really important to me. It reminds me of my family and my childhood. Just looking at it and knowing that I can still use it today and still use it for another 20 years from now. So it's just really important to me. Next item is a spud socket wrench. So when I graduated high school, I started working construction. It's my first major job, and I just remember how happy it made me to make my own money and doing something that I enjoy doing, which is construction work. My first job I ever worked on was the New Chisholm High School, and I remember this was the first tool I bought to use to work on that building. I still have it, and probably always keep it, but just a big part of my life working construction. I'm going to school to be a construction engineer, so this tool right here helped me decide what I was going to do for my career. I mean, it pushed me towards the construction engineering. And for my last item, I have a picture of my senior project that I'm working on right now for my construction engineering at A&M Commerce. But this is important to me because this is the first project where I've been involved since design to development, even building of this building here. And it was a group project, but somehow I got stuck doing all the work. So it's important to me because I can see everything that I went through and all the work I put into it to make this happen and to hopefully graduate. But it's just really important. I put a lot of work into this, and but anyway, it's just part of what I'm doing now. So it makes me happy to look at it and see that I've done all this work. I knew it was all me with no help from beginning to end. But anyway, that was my last item. Um, Maybe you know a little bit more about me. I hope so anyway. But thank you for watching.